Paulit-ulit na naratibo ng mga DDS, maging itong DDS lawyer na si Attorney Sheila Sison, na bakit daw gustong i-impeach si Sara Duterte na ibinoto daw ng 31 million Filipino na higit pa daw sa boto na nakuha ni BBM.
Because in this trial, the prosecution proposes that we unseat the Vice President elected to office by more than 32 million Filipino people. More than the number of votes cast for the sitting president, and much greater than any of the votes secured by each of the members of the House of Representatives who now are here to prosecute her and seek to undo this people's choice.
Attorney Sheila, irrelevant yan. Hindi ito usapin ng paramihan ng boto dahil ito ay usapin ng accountability. Huwag kang gumamit ng isang salita na magmumukha kang tanga. Mag-focus tayo sa ebidensya at huwag ka tumulad sa mga troll na DDS. Abogada ka pa naman.